Alright, changing out the agitator dogs. I don't need to show you really another video of this, but the agitator's not agitating. When I turn this, the bottom portion should turn. But what I notice is that the lid here is missing the screws, so that's not good. Eventually this is going to break. Now if I can't find another screw, what I can do is take one from this side. It's got 2 screws, so I can take the bottom one maybe and put it on the top if I can't find another screw. But I'll try to find some other screws and then going to run the screw through there. Yeah, fun. Okay, was able to find a few screws. We really don't want to use a screw with a point on it. It'd be better, and hopefully these screws will work out, that I found that our flatheads have a flat head on them.
A flat end instead of a point.
Through and see if it works out. And there we go. Nice. It's got a good thread on it. Be able to work that out. And the other thing is, ideally it would have a flat head so that it sinks in.
A tapered head
a little bit,
so that it doesn't sit out or poke out.
Work out. And this one's got somewhat of a flat head, but it's got a little bit of a point, but it's not real sharp. And then this one's got a complete flat head. So I'd rather go with the complete flat head if possible. But I don't know. Yeah, looks like it's gonna work. Good. Keeping this machine alive. What I can do is take my 6-in-1 screwdriver and take off the front wheel. So here we go. This is a Milwaukee 10. I think it's a 10-in-1 screwdriver. It's been a really good tool. I meant to do a review on it. I need to get around to posting that. Tighten that down. And the back one. Uh-oh. Back one must be a flathead. Yeah. What works is if you get stuck on one of these, is a switch plate screw. Actually works good. It's a little bit shorter. Just a standard switch plate screw.
Switch plate screw heads are tapered so they fit in perfectly.
This one's a little bit longer switch plate screw, but it'll work. In a pinch, I've used that for these before. There we go, nice and tight. There we go. Okay, we're all fixed there. Doesn't hit in the sides or anything. Good to go. Alright, now I can do what I was doing, which was replacing the agitator dogs. Just a very common problem. While I'm here, I will tighten these two. This is just a regular maintenance thing, and these do come apart. Alright, good to go. But yeah, a switch plate screw works good for these. I forgot about that. Yeah, just a regular little switch plate screw. Works good. Okay, here's what it should do. Agitate at least one way. Some of them will agitate both ways. This one needs to agitate at least one way. Alright.
A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.